Hello friends, we are just going to continue today with the loop section which we have started in the previous class. So let's get started with the loops today with a program which helps us to determine the sum of the first n natural numbers. The user will supply a value of n, and that n means, suppose it is 4, then the first 4 natural numbers sum will be printed. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, whatever may be the sum, that will be printed. If the user gives the number to be say suppose 100, then first 100 natural numbers summation will be output from the program. So let's get started with writing the program. So we start with this hash include directive first. Hash include std io.h, then comes int men, no explanation needed now, int men, then comes the opening brace. Now we have to decide that what is the number of variables, how many number of variables, what are the number of variables needed in this program. So say suppose we are going to print the sum of the first n natural numbers, then we need to have a variable like this which will take the value of n, and we have to take the loop variable as we discussed in the previous class. That is a variable which helps us to operate with the loops, that is the I in conventional meaning. That is the I which in convention we use, and then we have to take another variable because we have to print the sum of the n natural numbers. So sum will be one variable, n will be another variable, and I will be another variable. So I think that the three variables will be necessary, or three variables will be enough for writing this program. So let's get started with writing the program. So first we'll declare these three variables like this: int n I sum, and we will initialize the value of the sum to be 0 because the sum will calculate the sum of the first n natural numbers, and it will start addition from the 0. So we initialize this value to be 0. So now we will prompt the user to enter the value of this n, how many natural numbers he or she wants the program to find the sum of, and then we'll write enter the limit. Enter the limit. Then the next statement is scanf %d ampersand n. So this is the input of the limit, that is the how many natural numbers are to be accounted, or how many is to be taken into account for the summation purpose. So now we have to do the looping operation. That is, we have to find the sum. We have to find the sum of the first n natural numbers by applying the logic of the for loop by doing like this. Let me write this first and then let me explain you after that. For I is equal to 1, that is the initialization part is I is equal to 1 separated by a semicolon. The condition part is I less than equal to n, and the modification part is I plus plus. So that means I will be starting, the loop variable will be starting from the value 1, and it will go up to n, and then it will be incremented after each iteration, it will be incremented by 1. So now what we have to do, we have to calculate the sum of the first n natural numbers. How to do that? That is, we have initialized the value of sum to be sum is equal to 0. So then we have to write in an indented fashion, sum is equal to sum plus I. That means the sum will be, first sum is 0, and that 0 will be added to 1, and in the next iteration when the I becomes 2, that 1 will be added to the next value of I, that is 2, to give a result of 3, and so on and so forth. So this is the repetitive operation. It is a very simple logic, but it is a logic for iteration. That is, we are constantly summing up the numbers in this fashion. Like, see, if the user gives the value to be n is equal to 3, then our work is to do this sum, perform this summation, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is equal to 6. So we should get this value as 6. If it is supplied as 5, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 will yield how much? That is 15. Isn't it 15? 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15, correct. So we will have this to be our answer. So this is the logic which is implemented by the for loop, where we find the sum of the first n natural numbers. So now our next objective is to print the output, because we have to print the sum of the first natural numbers. We have determined the sum of the first n natural numbers inside this loop construct. Then we'll come out of the loop when the loop condition will not hold, when the I will surpass the value of n, then the program control will come out of the loop, and then we go to the next line of the program, next expression statement of the program, that is printf new line, the sum is %d, and what we will print in this place, %d place, we will print the sum. So the variable will be sum. So this brings us to the last portion of the program, and the last statement which is to be written is return 0, and we come to the end of this program. So this is the program to find the sum of the first n natural numbers using the for loop construct. So friends, if you have any doubts or queries pertaining to this program, you can well attend the comment section below, so that I can address your queries or comments from the comment section. Thank you, friends.